Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi Orlando Pirates iwenzile ama-signings kule season. Yabo ama-signings ewenzile, iqalile lapha emuva yasayina i-centre back eliqhamuka kwi-TS Galaxy uLebo Siyema, yalanda abondaba ababeqhamuka le kwi-Richards Bay, yalanda amashiliyoni ababeqhamuka le kwiBaroka, yadlula esiswini yalanda uSipho Mbule, yalanda abadlali abanjengo Nemtajela, yalanda abadlali abanjengobani lo Mjida lo Nduli, yalanda abadlali abanjengoSinoxolo Kwayiba, Tsepang Moremi, Sibelebele, yalanda abadlali abanjengo-Oswina Police, yabo abadlali abanjengo-Yanela Mbuthuma. So labo badlali abasayini Orlando Pirates. Yes, we saw Orlando Pirates idedela abadlali abanjengo-Miguel Team, Innocent Mayela, idedela abadlali abanjengo-Ndlondlo, Goodman Mosele, benoTshobeni, baye kwi-Chippa United, and the latest one okuZakhele Lipasa. Zakhele Lipasa will join iDurban City ngokuzwa kwami. Yabo, so la badlali laba abadedele i-Orlando Pirates, yes, it's a good thing babadedelile, but-ke sengikhohlile laba abawu-2 laba abajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs okubani lo Mjida lo uMonyane with uPaseka Makho. Yabo, so yilabo abadlali i-Orlando Pirates ebadedelile. Yes, sibabonile badedelile. So i-issue yami ila kunabadlali Orlando Pirates engabadlalisi. Labadlali labo nje ungabadlalisi. Inkinga yabo ikephi? What's next? Ngingabuzi bona per se. Angibuzi iclub ukuthi kahle kahle kuzowenzakalani. Yabo, I know abantu abaningi might shout at me ngokuthi uKarim Kimvidi ayikho right now into angasinikeza yona. Yabo, I know it's not a good thing ukuthi sikhulume ngabadlali beOrlando Pirates, but let's be honest guys. Lo Mjida lo wafika uJose Rivero, I think wayesithanda kufika uJose efika uKarim Kimvidi. I may be wrong, you may correct me in the comments, but uJose Rivero Umjida wamnikeza ithuba. Amnikeza ithuba, he didn't show up. Umjida wahlala ebhenjini, wahlala kuma sidelines. Gilberto is another player. I don't know about Gilberto, but for me, Gilberto, I think Umjida, yes, he got his chance. He got his chance. Many guys we too, but he didn't play like the player we thought he would play. Like, yabo, because simsign as I to Umjida, yabo uzosinikeza leyo nto because udlala eAfrica ubedlala kwiChampions League, yabo. Angazi kwenzakalani guy. Noma samsayina ngoba sahluleka ukusayina lo Mjida lo Stefan Aziz Ki. But-ke esinye story leso Aziz Ki naye ngezwe kuthiwa indaba zakhe ziyamsinda le. But-ke uGilberto bafethu Umjida, he was loaned by Orlando Pirates back to iPetro de Luanda. Abo angazi-ke right now situation yakhe imi kanjani, but ngizwile ngamhimhim to Umjida ngenzeka abe loaned back to iPetro de Luanda again. So Orlando Pirates doesn't see the player kuma futures wayo, yabo. Even ucoach omusha I don't think uyambona uGilberto as that player ongakwazi ukuyisiza Orlando Pirates in the future, even the technical team, because the coach came yedwa. Yabo i-technical team yethu imbonile uGilberto, ihlale kakhulu isikhathi esiningi uGilberto enikezwe amathuba. He didn't play like umdlali esingamsebenzisa. If you remember, we lost the winger last season okumona Saling. He got his opportunity, he didn't fulfill that position because he was playing the same position edlala uMonapule Saling, but the guy was benched by Umhankota. Umhankota got his opportunity and he perfected his craft. Umhankota, he even took Orlando Pirates to our semi-finals eCAF Champions League. Asisiza la kuSiphelo Balloon. Siphelo Balloon is another player bafethu Orlando Pirates wasayina uJose Rivero. I think wayedlala le kwi-NFD if I'm not mistaken. Wangikhumbuza ama-comments bafethu Siphelo Balloon is that kind of player naye owatholile ama-opportunities. Mjida wawathola ama-opportunities. I remember when Miguel Team elimala. When Miguel Team elimala ngaleya season ngosikhathi saqwalela ijezi eligqoka uKarim Kimvidi la. Ngosathi elimala bafethu uMiguel Team needed a player ozodlala esiswini. Yabo asize uMakhehleni Makhawula, asize lapho Ndlondlo noMbatha. Siphelo Balloon bafethu Orlando Pirates ayimfaka. He didn't show up to the part. He didn't play like lo mdlali lwesomdinga ngempela. Yabo lapha esiswini sasivuza esiswini mekhwa lo Mjida. Yabo lo Mjida uyadlala bafethu. Yadlala but kushoda le yanto angazi noma mhlambi iOrlando Pirates ayimdlalisa deep kakhulu noma ayimdlalisa kwiposition akajwayele ukudlala kuyona, but Umjida for me he didn't fulfill lento esasiyidinga. Yabo maybe it was too early to play for Orlando Pirates because he recently came and bamfaka kwi-deep end. He didn't swim. Bavele bamfaka nje kwi-deep, he didn't swim. Obonkota bafaka kwi-deep bakwazi ukuswim. Abomfukeng bafaka kwi-deep bakwazi ukuswim. Abombokazi bafaka kwi-deep bakwazi ukuswim. Yena Umjida akwazanga ukuswima, wacwila Orlando Pirates decide umlona. Ethan Versace, this is a goalkeeper abantu abaningi abamazi. Ethan Versace, he's another goalkeeper esamsayina club edlala lezansi yabo. He's a goalkeeper lo Mjida lo bafethu uyikhaladi. I think he played a few games last season kwi DDC Orlando Pirates. He played a few games. Azalithola ithuba lokuthi adlale kwi first team Orlando Pirates. Azalithola ithuba since some sign. He's not a young goalkeeper. I think he's around 25, 24 if I'm not mistaken. Yabo Mjida bafethu udlala lezansi. Ngizwile ke mahemhem kuthiwa ngenzeka alone kwiChippa United. Chippa United may lose their goalkeeper uStanley Nwabali. They sold another goalkeeper to AmaZulu. So Mjida singambona eyodlalela iChippa United maybe on a loan. I don't think Mjida angahamba on a permanent transfer because he recently joined Orlando Pirates. So ngenzeka simbone eya kwiChippa United on a loan. Yes. Another player okukatlego Otladisa. Otladisa bafethu situation yakhe ngizothini. Bittersweet situation yakhe. I remember when he joined Orlando Pirates. He joined Orlando Pirates. He was that player esesimlindele zama-Buccaneers ukuthi lo Mjida uzofika ashise, uzofika ahlalise abo Thembi Nkosi-Lorch, because I remember when he joined Orlando Pirates, Thembi Nkosi-Lorch was still playing for Orlando Pirates. Yes, Mjida joined waba ne-injury. Wajoyina waba ne-injury Mjida leyo yam-sideline. I think almost isizini yonke yabo ehlele ebhenchini Mjida, not ehlele ebhenchini, ehlele kuma-stands because wayelimele. Yabo enye izinto embulela kakhulu ko-Orlando Pirates. Wathi sebuya, yes, we saw some glimpses of Otladisa, but sadecide ukumlona on a season loan last season. He didn't play for Orlando Pirates last season. He was playing for iSkhukhune. I saw him playing for iSkhukhune and I was very, very impressed. He's one of those loanees abasuka ku-Orlando Pirates last season abangimpressile. Uyena yabo kuwo wonke ama-loanees alone Orlando Pirates last season. Otladisa, he was the only loaned player who was playing like he is hungry, who was playing like he wants to go back to Orlando Pirates and fight for his position. Inkinga yami asazi right now kwenze njani ngaye, but zikhona indaba engizwile regarding yena. Kuthiwa Mjida bafethu unamiwe for Orlando Pirates ukuthi ajoine isquad, 34-man squad ye-Orlando Pirates. Ukhona uOtladisa yabo. Laba abanye nabo ukhona noKarim Kimvuidi, yes, but laba abanye abadlali I didn't see ukuthi bakhona yini bona. I didn't see uBaloni, I didn't see Ethan Versace, I didn't see uGilberto. So it's likely ukuthi laba Mjida laba bazodayiswa noma balonwe back kulama club ade bawadlalela. uGilberto ke it's obvious. Versace Mjida ngenzeka alonwe naye. Mase kuthi uKarim Kimvuidi beno Otladisa bakhona. Karim Kimvuidi no Otladisa bakhona. Nayi message engayinikeza bona. Karim Kimvuidi uzonikeza manje ithuba lesithathu. Ithuba ke leli elingaveleli umuntu. Ithuba nje lelo ozolithola kumele ulisebenzise impela. Orlando Pirates right now ishintsha yonke club. The all players babedlalela Orlando Pirates, ababedlalela uJose, ababedlalela uJoseph Zimbabwe bayachithwa. I think umdlali osele right now wedlalela uJoseph Zimbabwe, I think it's Dion Hoto. Dion Hoto is the only player that was playing for Joseph Zimbabwe that is still with the Orlando Pirates. Abadlali abakhona right now abadlali abasuka kuJose nabadlali sasana bathenga. So Karim Kimvuidi, you must use this opportunity to play like umdlali ofunayo ukuchallenge for ijezi Orlando Pirates. Otladisa, you were great with iSkhukhune United. You must keep up that performance or idlala kwiSkhukhune United. You must fight for that position. You'll fight against Oswin Apolit, you'll fight against Mfokeng. So you must fight. You must even change indlela odlala ngakhona. There are many wingers going on the Pirates right now. You must fight for your position. Mjida ngiyakwazi uyakwazi ukudlala mfethu. So yes mfethu. So ungangitshela ama comments, do you think Orlando Pirates kumele badedele labadlali noma kumele bagcine? Yabo imuphi umdlalo ofuna ukumbona edlala next season, imuphi umdlalo ofuna ukumbona echithiwe iOrlando Pirates? What is next with these 5 players? Yabo ungangitshela ama comments uma kukhona omunye ngimshiyile umdlali weOrlando Pirates. But ke ngokwami ile 5 le esengayibona yabo